Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, start.
I'm Kritika. I'm 7th sem from Department of Electronics and Communication. I was bit worried when I didn't listen that still they have not announced this VLSI training which I heard previous year. Then I was bit happy when Venkat sir came and addressed that he'll be taking training. He'll be giving us training in VLSI domain. So then I decided to join this VLSI domain training. Actually, I had not expected digital design in this way, like which Raja sir taught us. Uh, Mux is like I never used to feel comfortable with Mux, that special decision making device, because I am very weak at taking my own decisions. After attending Raja sir's classes, how important Mux is in digital design and decision in life is I learnt. And coming to Raja sir's teaching, he is extraordinary to be say. Like I used to feel if I become a lecturer in future, if I teach like how our lecturers are teaching, the same expression which I give towards our lecturer would be given by the students. But when I saw Raja sir teaching in a very different way, a teacher can also be like this, like students love to listen his teaching and all. That way of teaching I saw in Raja sir, and he inspired almost all the students who attended the training. And Venkat sir has given a broader view regarding how industry will be and how we should be able, how capable we should be to get into our industry. The training necessary in advanced digital design and verification, not to the full extent, but we were very weak in all the aspects which they have taught now. Now with confidence we can say that at least we can solve 3 out of 5 syntax errors after the training of 6 weeks. I would like to tell like to tell all the students that they attend this training without fail. They gain a lot. For what they pay is different, but what they gain is very much lot when compared to what they pay. So please use the opportunity which you get to attend Raja sir's class and Venkat sir's class. So please attend. Thank you.